party till the morning and we'll do it all again.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're One for the Road. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and leave a comment if you like the video. It really helps the channel. We've just left our hotel in Bangkok on Soi 4 Nana district, which we've done a hotel review on, so don't forget to check that out. It's the Worrybury Hotel. I'm probably saying that atrociously, but there we are. And if you come out of the hotel and take a right, there's a park nearby, so Charlotte's just leading the way. She's being the sat-nav. Which,
if you've been watching us before, you know that can end up disaster.
If you go right at, so we're going right towards the park. If you go left, it takes you down to Nana Plaza. If I said that wrong just a minute ago, I apologise. So yeah, if you're at the hotel and you're facing out of the hotel, it's right towards the park and left towards Nana Plaza. We'll show you that. It's a bit hectic. We went up there for some food, not to Nana Plaza for food, but we went up that road for some food last night and had some street food, and it was, yeah, interesting to say the least. How far away is the park then, my love?
Well, it looks like that's the park there behind those gates, but I'm not sure how to get in it yet. So.
Okay. Well, that's promising. Watch out for the doors, the motorbikes and every other hazard in front of you. Oh yeah, so that's the street address up there, Sukhumvit Soi 4 Nana, Bangkok. Hopefully this is a park. And there's a little street food place there. Oh yeah, so those gates are open, so it looks like we can just walk straight through. So this isn't the main park, is it? This isn't Lamphuni Park.
No, this is Benjakitti Park. The Lamphuni Park is just to the right next door. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. So we're gonna head into this park. Lamphuni Park's over here. Cool.
And there's some kind of reservoir there by the looks of it. You seen that on the right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and it goes down that way, or this is, I don't know what that is, and I guess it's the river that runs through Bangkok, I'm not sure. Right, let's check this park out. Well, that was nice and close at least. It's literally, as you know, we've been live the whole time, so it's, you've been in with us for sort of 3 minutes now, so that's how far it is to get to the park from the hotel. So yeah, check out the video that we done, the hotel review. It's pretty cheap hotel. It's got a rooftop pool.
So we've got a slow lane or a fast lane for bikes. It's a bike route.
Oh, there we are. What's this bit over here then? We were looking for like an outside gym, weren't we? Oh, there's a map. So there's a map of the park. It's the first time we've been here, so you'll have to bear with us. It looks like there's a couple of lakes here, maybe? Oh well.
Freshwater swamp forest.
Well, we love a swamp. And this is some kind of, let's check this out. This is some kind of outside gym by the looks of it. We were looking for one of these because we're only here for 2 nights. We're leaving Thailand. Come on.
I don't know what it is.
Let's see what exercises Charlotte's going to do here then. This is where she cuts herself in half. Oh my lord, I wouldn't even bother with that. Oh my lord. How does that feel?
Ouch.
There we go. Oh, pump up the jam. There we go. So there's a few little so that's something that could be quite useful. There's a dip bar. That could be quite handy. There's a little bit to do chin-ups on, and you could get some sit-ups done. And it's free.
Got a little squat thing here.
Oh.
It's not very safe.
One thing to note, when we got to the other end of Soi 4, there's a 24-hour gym just on the main road. As you get to the end of the road, take a left, and within like 10-20 meters there's a 24-hour gym. It's 1,300 baht a month, which is about 35 quid roughly, maybe £30. and but if you want a day pass, it's 499 baht, so about £11 per person, which I thought was quite expensive. I know we're in a city, you know, the capital city of Thailand, so I spoke, but I don't know, it just seems like a lot for a gym, but there we are. Right, let's do a bit of wandering then, shall we? Looks a bit overgrown, to be honest, so maybe it's supposed to be like that, I don't know, maybe it's like wild gardens.
I think there's a little, I think you're playing table tennis in there.
Okay, so there's like an indoor sports area. Kids play area over there. Cool, well, we'll have a little wander around. If we find anything interesting, we'll pop the camera back on. If not, we'll go and find something interesting and see you in the next bit. So we just found a bit of a hack, really. So we're headed to, well, we're taking you to the new shopping mall in Bangkok, the Emsphere. And there was a lake we wanted to check out in the park that we're just coming up to now. And when we put in Emsphere from here, it actually cuts the distance from Nana in half. From Nana, Soi 4 Nana, it cuts the travel time in half walking through the park. And let's just do like a little pan around of this road. It's like really, really spacious. It's a huge, lovely park, and it's meant that we haven't had to like fight our way through like the centre of Bangkok. If anyone's ever been, or if you're thinking about coming, the pavements or the sidewalks or whatever you want to call them are absolutely hectic. If there's not motorbikes parked on them, there's seating for motorbike taxis. If there's not seating for motorbike taxis, there's street food vendors, which
with tables and chairs.
With tables and chairs that they just put up. You know, I'm not slating it because it's what we love about the place, it's the hustle and bustle, but just to be aware. Whereas here, beautiful little pavement, walking through a park, and look at this. I mean, you're seeing this for the first time that we're seeing it. So there's like a massive lake right in the centre of Bangkok. It's awesome. And look at all the skyscrapers around it. And then there's just this huge, you've got to be careful, there's probably people cycling and stuff. There's like a huge lake you could come run in. There's like a path to walk on. If you wanted to go running, you could. Massive lake. Right in the middle of Bangkok. So yeah, awesome. Really impressed. Almost wish we were here for a few more days now. So which way are we going then?
Oh, should we do a thumbnail whilst we're here?
Oh, get the thumbnail in. There we go. Let's get old sat nav spelt with a T.
This way.
Oh, we're off. So yeah, definitely, it'd be really nice to go for a run around here. Not that we're particularly built for running, as you can tell.
Crack on then.
Yeah. Charlotte can watch.
I'll wait here for you.
Yeah.
You can run round and I'll sit on the bench.
Awesome. Right. So we're going to carry along on this path. How much farther is it? Further?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. So we've got a 20-minute walk. Again, there's not really much point in making you walk with us for 20 minutes, so we'll just pop the camera back on when we find something interesting. We're going to head to the Emsphere, like we said, check that out, see if we can find, you know, see what the food is like in there, see if they've got any decent like street food or what the food court's like, etc., or even if they've got one. And yeah, see you in a bizzle. Guess where we are. Sorry about the flicky lights, but it's warm out and it's time to get some 7-Eleven treats. What do you fancy, my love? Looks like it's 2 Cokes for 29, or there's Fanta, 2 for 25.
I'm okay to be honest, I've got my water.
Oh, Charlotte's got a water, she's okay. Right, let's see what I can find then. Let's go 0?
Yeah.
Basically, I think in Thailand, if you ever need anything to eat or drink and you don't know where to go, find a 7-Eleven. They've got everything you could possibly need and it's cheap as chips. It's up to you. So we're at the Emsphere. I don't know if you can just see the sign up there, but this is the Emsphere shopping mall. Just gonna have to the classic 911 Porsche. That's pretty cool. Right, you lead on, babe. They have an IKEA, always helpful. We need to put some shelves up. Oh, you are? Oh, whatever you want. There's a sign there, and this is, oh yeah, this is a better sign, here we go. Sorry it's so noisy, but it is what it is, it's Bangkok. So that's the entrance to the Emsphere there. We'll go and have a wander around. We've never been in here before, so we'll just check it out. The noise you can hear is not just the traffic, it's these blowy things. So yeah, what can you do? So we're just inside the Emsphere. We can hear ourselves think a little bit. There is music in the background, but oh well, c'est la vie. Might have to edit the mute the first bit. Oh, there you go, it's stopped now. I've just noticed there's a KFC up the top there, which is always nice. I'm not sure if this is the food court or what, but I guess we'll find out together. I don't really I'll have to do a bit of Googling as to what this is. All we know is that it's a new shopping mall. So, do you know anything about it?
No. I think there's supposed to be that swimming pool here,
Yeah, I think there's supposed to be like a, what's it called?
Tide.
Tide. I think there's like a restaurant with a swimming pool that you can just have a drink in, and then oh yeah, you can see it up there. Is it? Or is it? No, it is Tribe.
Oh, Tribe.
So it's up there. I think there's like a swimming pool where you can like have a coffee and then use the pool if you want through the week for free.
Oh, there's a sign.
Okay. Sky Beach Club. There we go. I'm not sure. And then. Okay. Right, let's check it out then. Should we head up there and might as well, won't we? We'll head up there and have a look, and then we'll try and find the food court. Ooh. Who likes oysters? We kind of do. Right, so what have we got here then? This is the floor plan. So that's ground floor, I guess. The different restaurants that they've got here. Can you see anywhere on this sign that says about a food court? So we're still in Emsphere and we've just sat down to get some food. Went up to customer services, slightly disappointed or not what we'd expected. There's not actually a food court here. So there's a market, like a gourmet market they call it, where there's loads of little restaurants and stuff. There's not actually like a traditional Thai food court where you could probably pay like 50 baht for a meal. So we've improvised and we've come to, you've guessed it, Emsphere KFC. Like, to be fair, we have ordered Thai foods. This is Thai KFC. Charlotte's gone for sort of like a green curry with rice, and I've gone for like a combo set, which was Thai spice chicken, a drink and a chicken wing, and it comes to 188 baht, which is probably what, £4, something like that. So we're going to carry on a little tour. We're going to eat this, and then we're going to go and try and find the Tribe bar where apparently there's a swimming pool. Check that out, and then we maybe will head over to Terminal 21 and see if we've got time and go and find an actual food court, because that's kind of what we promised. So yeah, we're going to tuck in. See you in a bit.
So we've had a little walk around the mall. We've come up to floor 5 to the Tribe, and there's something going on. We're not quite sure what. Maybe something to do with a phone release. And there's lots of dressed up people having their picture taken. It's a bit loud, so I can't really talk very much, but yeah, we'll try and find out what's going on and we'll let you know. We didn't really know what that was all about. Gary asked a few of the girls there, but there was no celebrity, so we just carried on into the tribe. And here we are.
Is there any seats available right there? Or?
Already booked.
Okay, then that's fine.
That's the, didn't bring our swimming
That's pretty cool. So we're sat down in Tribe Beach Club. We've ordered an Americano and a latte. And then this is the awesome pool. So it's a massive pool along here. Stretches right down, all the way down there. There's loads of music playing, so I hope you can hear me all right. I'll probably get copyrighted, but hey ho, who cares, eh? And you can reserve these like sun lounges, so you can sit down, have a few drinks, have a swim. Right in the centre of Bangkok, we've got music playing. I imagine it gets quite lively in here come the evening. Charlotte's tapping away there. She's going to try and get the QR code put up on the screen so you can scan it and see the menu. The cocktails start from about 400 baht, so yeah, it's not cheap. But it looks like a really cool place, and you are in like obviously the capital city of Thailand, aren't you? So you can imagine it's going to be a bit pricey. So we're going to chill, we're going to have our coffee, and then we're going to try and go down to Terminal 21 and check out that food court. If we don't make it there, we'll stop in somewhere else and get some food and show you what we're up to. But yeah, so far so good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really cool. I love it. I don't know how it would be if we spent the day here. We haven't brought our swimming stuff, but maybe if we come back to Bangkok, we treat ourselves and sip one cocktail and use the pool.
Yeah, I mean 400 baht, I mean what is that really? What's that, 2, 4, 6, about £7 a cocktail? So for where you are, you know, if you were on holiday, yeah, easy. But obviously we're travelling, so you know, you got to watch what you spend.
If we had to pay, if we didn't have a pool at our hotel, maybe how much would we pay to use the pool? Would it be more than a cocktail price?
Yeah, probably so. So cool. If we do happen to end the vlog there, then we'll see you in the next one. If not, we'll do a little bit about what we have for dinner later. Take it easy.
We could party till the morning and we'll do it all again.